Yo, what's up, y'all? Hope y'all are doing very well. So this is a trade breakdown video, and this trade right here on GBPUSD, I posted that on my Discord server, literally from here during the learning session, from there, and you could see that this trade is like a 14-hour trade, 1:14 hour trade, and yeah, I'm gonna break this trade on. I didn't do this trade on my a live font, but I didn't trade at the London session, to be honest. I traded NAS. The trade that I took on NAS today, let me show you all which one I took today. So yeah, I think it was around here. All right, so let's first break down the NAS trade, then we'll head on to GBPUSD. All right. So yeah, so I was bearish on NAS. Um, I think there is a high chance that NAS could probably reach for these lows right here. But today, before the news, I was telling in my Discord server that price probably gonna sweep one of these internal highs, and you could see Asian sessions high being swept. That is the internal low within this whole dwelling range. That is a internal range high, and then we have another high, but price failed to see that one. All right, let's go to the 15-minute. Same shit on the 15-minute time frame. So we had a news at 8:30 today. These are our data high. This right here, our data high. All right, and this is our data low. All right, I mean pre-data low. All right, so if anyone went long here during the news, where are the stops below that low? All right, so when I saw price swap that, and during the news I didn't trade it. All right, so after the news, yeah, around this time, I think around 9 a.m. All right, around 9 a.m. I saw that price took out that data low, and when I saw that, um, I was thinking if price probably gonna um, create another internal range low like this one right here, sweep that low, then gonna run for that data high. All right, and I think it didn't exactly do what I expected, but around 9:30 we made a low, we swapped that, then ran for these highs, failed to sweep that, came down again, swapped that low, then we went higher and swapped that data high. All right, I think at that time we had as SM2 with S&P 500. And so around that time we had an SMT, and when I saw that SMT and sweep up these are high right here, I went to the 1 minute time frame, and I was targeting this 15-minute swing low right here, this swing low right here. All right. All right, so on the 1 minute, I think I entered around here, uh, in this inversion fair value gap right here. So I entered on this inversion fair value gap right here, targeting that low, and I posted that on my Discord server. I took that on my live account. So, bro, what the fuck, dude? All right, so when I saw price close below that low right here, and why I use that you could have used that fair value gap right there, but I use that inversion because this right here is a breaker leg. This right here is a breaker. also. All right, so I didn't want to see price go all the way up into that, because if I was using that fair value, I would have uh, waiting for this at least to tap into the 50% of that fair value, because this is a big as fair value gap, bro. So kind of use that breaker than this inversion fair value gap. All right, so these two things I was watching, and when as soon as we form that swing high right here, right there, I went in, putting my stop loss just above that high. And you might say, why did you put your stop loss above that high? So I'll look to the left right here. This is our data high, all right? This is our data high. So we have taken that high out in terms of buy side, but taken that out. Then we made a low, and I mean we made an internal range, internal low right here. We went up, took that high again. That was the external high for this dealing range right here. So we took out that high. So those who went long, um, my bad, chat. Those who went short around here, where are their stops right now? Right there. So the sellers are out right now, and those who went, those who bought here, where are the stops below that low? And you could see that price eventually came down, took the take them out, and then created a failure soon right there. So we have taken out buyers out, and we have taken out sellers out. Then we made a failure swing that indicates that price now gonna go for this 15-minute low here. So yeah, that's like just a simple explanation for y'all. I just used that one. All right, so and then I added some more right on this fair value gap as well, right here. And I think if I'm not wrong, or we didn't have any SMT. So that was a pretty much a short explanation for this trade right here. That was almost like 107 points. All right, so that was a nice trade though. All right, so I just took this trade today on my live phone. Didn't took any other trade, and let's go to GBPUSD. All right, so on GBPUSD, where is that trade, bro? Where is that trade? So yeah, this was the trade that I took today. So let me break it down for y'all. All right. No, I think right there. I'm gonna use this as that's your sell side liquidities. So I was bullish for GAP and USD. My Discord members know that. So when after Asian session, I was looking at price and I saw that price took out this low right here and then tapped into this rejection block. This might be a small rejection block right there. This might be a small rejection block, but it is like a rejection block. So price tap into that rejection block, and at that same time, I think, wait. Let me add euro to the chart, right? Yeah. So at that time, you could see we had this SMT right here. All right. So sell side been pushed, tap into a 1 hour rejection block, that is a 50-minute order block right here. Tap into that, show some reaction off of it right there. And let me turn on the execution. All right, so what the fuck? All right, so it's here. So you could literally see that after we created that swing high, after we created that swing low, I entered on this inversion, putting my stop loss just below that rejection low. So it is more than like a bro. This is like a 30-hour trade, dude. So look at my exit point right there, and price right now. Price is just um what is it? Consolidating low and look. I think price probably gonna go down tomorrow. I don't know. I just have this trade on. This is demo trade, so we'll see. We'll see tomorrow. But this was pretty much the trade where I took it. Rejection block, sell side been purged, bias was bullish, and we tap into. We had SMT with the correlated pair as well. Bro, this is like pretty much the easiest setup you could like find, bro. All right. So I took out some partials right around here, midpoint of that wick. I took out some partials right there, and then went break even and leave it for to run for that high, and it did went for that high. So now you probably be asking what is that high, all right? So let me go on the weekly time frame. So those who have been waiting for the daily swing high to be taken out, right this right here, those who were waiting for this high to be taken, I was looking at this candle right here. Why? If you go to the weekly time frame, what is that? That is a weekly candle's high right there. So I targeted that, and yeah, yeah, man, pretty much price went up there, and we got a nice trade. And Chad, we literally topped it today, bro. I mean, top and bottom too, bro. We went at the lowest point of the daily candle, and we got out at the highest point of the daily candle. So it's literally a banger trade, and I even shared that trade on my Discord server. So those who didn't took that trade, bro, they just missed a huge setup. But it's not the end, I guess. I'll be sharing more setups. I mean, not setups. I do not share setups directly, but I always try to tell them where they should focus. I mean, my free Discord members, and yeah, those who took this trade made money, bro. And I told my chat that um, let me just put it aside, all right? So we had news at 8:30, all right? So I told them if anyone didn't, I mean, if you're not in a trade already, you do not chase the news, bro. If you chase the news, you're gonna get ripped. And I also told them, let me show you. You might be, bro. So where it is? Look at this. I told them today's news is gonna be both way. 8:30 news spike both way, then move to our direction. So if you're not in a trade already, stay out. Wait for 9:30. This was for NAS, and NAS literally went nasty today, to be honest. So I didn't took trade before 9:30. After 9:30, I took a trade on NAS, and then yeah, I also like well, let me show you the gold setup. Alright, so bro, today I also like told them to buy gold only after we created that 4 hour swing high. This right here. So once we formed that 4 hour swing high, I didn't participate in this trade though. I don't know if he participated in this. So someone in my server asked me to if he should when he should take a long here. I told him just to wait for New York session, and bro, look at it, bro. It just went like crazy. So let's not make this video any longer. So probably this video was helpful for y'all, and if it was, give a thumbs up, sub up, and yeah, make sure to join the Discord server, follow me on X. And by the way, chat, if you want to join the Signal service, hit me up on Telegram. I'll send you the details. And yeah, man, hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Stay blessed. I'll see you all maybe tomorrow. All right. Bye bye, chat.